You guys already watched the video. I cut these into slices here. Cut these up, you guys can see. You know, it's not a typical you guys normally see. This is the way I do it. Now that it's already cut, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little, just put a little bit of, just a little bit, not a whole lot. Put a little bit of spice here. You know, you guys see that? Just a little bit of spice, just a little. I need a whole lot, just a little. Definitely not gonna put a garlic in there. You gotta call it garlic, but just a little. And then I got my all seasoning here. Put a little bit of that too in there, you know, just a little. Just a little. And then I'm gonna use my hands to stir it up here. To stir it up. You guys can see me using my hands to stir it up. And now what I'm gonna do, rather than trying to put water in it, I'm gonna put oil. All right, just a little bit of oil. You don't have to put a whole lot, just a little bit of oil. Kind of move it around a little bit. Oh, I did an extra move, but that's okay. And then you kind of reminate it and let it, you know, and then let it sit. See how they look nice? Let it sit.